Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust density of an image on Photopea. So first of all, I want to open Photopea. After opening it, we just need to drag the image. So for adjusting the density, here on the right, you can see here many options in the section adjustments, and from here as an option, you can see here photo filter. Click on that. And from here you can just adjust the density by selecting as much as you wanted. And after selecting the density, you can see that you had been adjust the density of an image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.